Hey y'all, well I'm going to do a very fast another unboxing. I totally forgot about this. Remember how I told you guys that I didn't have anything else Louis Vuitton or really anything that I was going to unbox? That's not true. I have to tell you, first of all, in my first day of using my reverse monogram pochette motif, it has just been perfect. It has had exactly the amount of room that I want. It's got everything in it. It's not overcrowded. It's not super heavy. I put my little keychain from my husband I got for Christmas on the side that says Bethy, but I need to get maybe like a little different loop for it, but it has my name engraved. I don't know if you can see that on it. And so that's kind of cool. So that's kind of my little charm on this side. Some people use Louis Vuitton charms, which I'm not against. But today I got this box in the mail, and I was like, what is this box? I don't remember ordering anything else. And then I opened it, and looky there. I was like, oh, look how well hidden that was. It just looked like a regular old box. And I forgot I ordered the Damier Ebene. Here's the little paperwork, which we're not going to bother with. Wallet. I think it's called I'll have to look. But anyway, again, I'm very impressed this time with the packaging. This, we've already learned, is a blank card that if you want to turn around and gift this, you can, without opening it and messing up the little bow. But I'm going to mess up the little bow and open it right away. And the way this one opens instead of a magnetic closure is it's a little pull-out drawer. Oh, I don't know what that's to. Usually it's a lock, but I don't remember this having a lock. So here's the product. And it's just a little fold-over wallet, if I remember correctly. And I ordered, oh, isn't that cute? I ordered some stamps on it. So I ordered on the front this little poodle, pink poodle with Louis Vuitton bags. She's got some little shopping bags so that you can see that. And then the diamond on the side of the poodle has my initials. And then underneath, the bottom, I guess they call it bottom left, it says Louis Vuitton Aloha Hawaii because there's a flagship store in Hawaii. And we had a wonderful time in Hawaii. It is got places for 6 cards. Behind each of those is obviously a little flap that you can put things in. A little place for cash. And then on the back, oh, and it also has a zipper coin piece. And then on the back, it also has a stamp off to the side that I chose the more vintage looking stamp on that one. It's kind of like a ecru color, you know, that kind of, what do they call it when it's in photos? Anyway, so that's what that is. And that is, and you know what? I thought it was Damier Ebene. It's not. This will go perfect in there. Yes. Yes. That's perfect. Something's going to have to go though. Because that's enough of a little bit of space that I think something will need to go. I mean, obviously it'll fit in here just fine. But width-wise. You know, I've got the pochette in the front, but that's got my kind of medical stuff. My clay has the, or clay, I always say a clay. The clay has, it has my cards in it that I need. So maybe I'll go back to having that, have my keys in it, which is really, I think, what you should put in it. And put this, have my cards in this, and have just those 2 things in the back. That's what I'll do. I will, hold on, put it right back there. Sounds good to me. So now I feel very accomplished with my little contraptions. I love it. I never did end up using these. I didn't need them because the way that I've got things positioned in the purse, these are not necessary. So while I've took their little bow off and little tie, these are not used. I may make these. These are really cute. Do you think I should make these and the clear one a part of the New Year's giveaway because they're sparkly like New Year's? What do you think? Should I? They're beautiful. I love them. They're the rose gold sequins and rose gold faux leather trim. The zippers are rose gold. They're good shaped zippers. You never know, but I like to give y'all treats too. So anyway, so that is it. That is all that I had. Let's look and see what is in this little. It normally would be a lock. I Do you know what it is, y'all? This is what they're starting to send out. Little perfumes. Let's see what this one is. Attrape Rêves and Le Jour se lève. Leve. Well, obviously I don't need to smell them right now because you can't tell the difference on what they would smell like. Even though lots of times I'll spray something and say, what do y'all think? Like you can smell. So that's what that was. That's kind of a cute little thing to have too, because like when you're traveling, you can put necklaces in this or rings in this. So it's good to have that. Because, you know, you're going to use your little samples up. I want to know if they are good samples. Hold on, I'm just going to just slightly test each one. Just a little bit. So they come in these little boxes, little sample boxes. You can't smell it. I like that a lot. That is the Le Jour se lève. Lève. That's real nice. Okay. This one, these are eau de parfums, by the way. That one was also eau de parfum. And it is different, whether it's perfume or toilette. And a lot of times I like the toilette better. Toilette. Okay, this is very much like candy. This has almost got a clove smell to it, which I love. This is almost like a, how can I describe this? Like a La Juicy. And I can't tell you that this other smells like anything I'm used to. I like it better. I like the one with the clovey smell, because I love the smell of cloves, especially at Christmas time. Because my mommy used to give us oranges in a little box from McCormick's of whole cloves, and we'd stick them in until the whole orange was brown with cloves. And you could barely see the orange behind it. And after a day or two, when the orange juice started to come out into the cloves a little bit, it was the most incredible smell. And my mom would make a big bowl of them, like, you know, 5 to 10 of them, in the middle of the dining room, and it smelled so good. I do like both of them. They're just completely different. This is a great way for them to get people to start trying their perfumes. And people that they know already love their brand. Wow, I do like both of them. That's got a lighter, a little more sophisticated than La Juicy. Or Juicy Couture. I'm not sure which one. Because those all have different names and I get all mixed up because there's like 20 of them. I don't know, I still am going with the clovey smelling one, but that's just because it's got good memories for me. But that's awesome. I'm glad I looked at that with y'all. So I've got this little thing, and of course the little piece that the Louis Vuitton comes in, and that's nice. And then this is my LV World Tour, all in French. That's not helpful. And then Chinese. That's not helpful. Is there any English? Do we use English? Anyway, I don't know what this is about. The name of this, I felt like it was something like I don't know. Let me look. Thank you for your shopping with Louis Vuitton. Exchanges and returns. I won't have to do that. Actually, because this is personalized, you're not allowed to return it anyway. Here's my receipt. There it is. Victorine. That's what it was. I was trying to say something besides latrine. It's the Victorine wallet, My World Tour. Oh, that's why, because it's got all kinds of stamps. And remember, Louis Vuitton originally was luggage, and you would put stamps on your luggage at the different places that you'd been. Or I think actually the airport or whoever did. You would always have stamps put on your luggage like passports. And I love a little pink and dark pink and white striped diamond. And it says 101 Champs-Élysées, Paris, 1854. That must be their original address. And again, I'll get that real close so y'all can see it. Let me put my hands behind it so it'll focus for you. And again, me and my husband went on a trip to Hawaii, so it's very sentimental to me. And we noticed the flagship store. What did I get there? Did I get the earrings or the clay? I think I got the clay in Charleston store. I don't think we got anything from Hawaii, which was, oh my gosh, that would have been such a good memento. So this is going to kind of take that place. But and then this is 1 Rue Scribe, London, 454 Strand. And it's real, like, old-fashioned, what is it called, y'all? Sepia. Remember sepia? In photography, it has kind of like that brownish hue to it. That's what this little stamp has, kind of a vintage look to it. So I thought that was really cool. And that when you open this, and my suggestion is you should never pull from here, always only from the button and hold the whole button, because eventually, you know, these little snaps, they can just, in any type of thing, they can come off. And something this nice, you wouldn't want to let that happen. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And I don't know if in wallets they do the little, let me look, if they do the little piece, you know, that says it's authentic. I don't know if they do that in wallets, or if they only do that in handbags. But boy, I can smell the leather, that's for sure. It's good, a very good, I went in there. Okay, and then it has the little skew thingy. So we'll take that out and put that in here too. Well, that's just really nice, y'all. Really, really nice. So we'll keep all that together. This, again, is just exchange and thank you for your product and blah, 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 blah. And I probably will not keep this. I don't know. You actually always should keep original paperwork, because should you ever, and see, here's the thing, I'm not on this. You would never sell something that has your initials on it. So resale value is 0 on this anyway. So there. But it's also a cute little box that you can put things in. It's like a little drawer. You could, I don't know. And have your little ribbon. I'll have to put that back in there too. But I do like it. I really will go ahead and change out probably my clay and this wallet, because this was so heavy. That's what made me think about the beam. But that was so heavy, you know, that's why I changed it out. So anyway, that's all, and I will let you guys go. I love you very much, and I'll talk to you again soon.